In the world of cunning predators, there's one canid that thrives in the shadows. Adaptable, elusive, and fiercely intelligent. It's not the wolf. It's not the fox. Today, on Perfect Predator, we spotlight the jackal, nature's opportunist, and one of the most underrated predators of the wild. The jackal is a small, cunning predator that belongs to the class Mammalia, a category that includes all warm-blooded animals with fur that nurse their young. Within the animal kingdom, jackals are members of the Caninidae family, which makes them close relatives of wolves, foxes, coyotes, and domestic dogs. Despite being grouped under a single common name, the jackal actually refers to three distinct species: the golden jackal, Canis aureus, the black-backed jackal, Lupulella mesomeles, and the side-striped jackal, Lupulella adusta. While each species is slightly different in terms of appearance and habitat, they all share similar ecological roles as mid-sized, opportunistic predators and scavengers. Jackals are sometimes casually referred to as wild dogs, although they are more solitary and independent than the highly social African wild dogs, also known as painted dogs. Jackals have a relatively modest lifespan in the wild, averaging between 8 and 12 years, although individuals in captivity may live longer due to the absence of predators and access to veterinary care. Physically, jackals are compact and agile. They typically stand between 15 to 20 inches tall at the shoulder and measure about 30 to 40 inches in length, including their bushy tails. They usually weigh between 15 and 30 pounds, depending on the species and their environment. Despite their size, jackals are surprisingly fast and capable of reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour in short sprints, allowing them to chase down prey or evade danger with ease. In appearance, jackals resemble small wolves or large foxes, with slender builds, narrow muzzles, and long, pointed ears that provide them with exceptional hearing. Their coats vary by species. The black-backed jackal is distinguished by its reddish-brown body and a prominent black saddle running along its back. The side-striped jackal has a more grayish coat with subtle white striping along its flanks, and the golden jackal sports a tawny or yellowish coat that gives it a coyote-like appearance. One unique physical trait across all species is their upright ears, which are not only a signature of the species but are crucial for detecting the faintest sounds, whether it's the rustle of prey in the grass or the distant approach of a rival predator. Jackals are found across a wide range of environments, a testament to their adaptability. They inhabit open savannas, dry grasslands, scrublands, woodlands, and semi-arid deserts. Some even venture into farmlands and the outskirts of human settlements, taking advantage of food, waste, and livestock. Geographically, each species occupies its own niche. The black-backed jackal is found primarily in southern and eastern Africa, particularly in countries like South Africa, Namibia, Kenya, and Tanzania. The side-striped jackal prefers the more humid and forested areas of Central and Western Africa. The golden jackal, the most widespread of the three, extends far beyond the African continent, inhabiting northeastern Africa, the Middle East, India, Sri Lanka, and even parts of southern Europe, making it the only jackal species with a range that crosses continents. Climate-wise, jackals can endure a variety of conditions, from the blazing heat of arid deserts to the cooler climates of temperate woodlands and even subtropical forests. This environmental flexibility makes them one of the most successful and widespread carnivores of their size class. When it comes to diet and hunting, jackals are the very definition of opportunistic predators. They are omnivores with a broad palate, able to shift their diet according to seasonal and regional availability. Jackals hunt alone, in pairs, or sometimes in small family groups. When working in pairs, they often use coordinated tactics to corner or confuse their prey, a rare level of cooperation among smaller predators. Their primary prey includes small mammals such as rodents, hares, and young antelope, as well as birds, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. But jackals are also prolific scavengers. They are frequently seen feeding on the carcasses left behind by larger predators like lions and leopards. and they will even boldly snatch scraps in the presence of more dangerous animals. In agricultural areas, jackals have been known to raid chicken coops or kill small livestock, leading to conflict with farmers. In addition to meat, jackals will also consume plant matter when needed. Fruits, berries, roots, and even agricultural crops can make up a significant portion of their diet during lean seasons. This remarkable dietary flexibility is one of the main reasons jackals thrive in such a wide range of habitats. While many predators depend heavily on one food source or a specific hunting method, jackals shift strategies on the fly. When prey is scarce, they become scavengers. When prey is plentiful, they become hunters. And when neither is available, they'll graze on fruits and roots until better opportunities arise. In conclusion, the jackal is far more than a sneaky scavenger. It's a dynamic, highly intelligent, and adaptive predator, perfectly engineered to survive in some of the world's most challenging ecosystems. With sharp senses, fast reflexes, and an opportunistic mind, the jackal proves that being clever and flexible can be just as deadly as brute strength. Thanks for joining us on Perfect Predator. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of the jackal, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another predator profile. Until next time, stay sharp and stay wild.